Tangled hair. It ruins your perfect hairstyle. Natural solutions? Yes. Easy to make. Save your time and keep you healthy.
My dear friends, it's no secret that maintaining a long and a beautiful hair requires a good care. But as we all can agree, one of the most frustrating things about having a long hair is constantly we have to deal with knots and tangles. As you all suffer from this problem, today I'm going to give you natural solutions. In this video, we are going to make 2 detangling leave-in conditioners that you also can practice at your home. So let's start. There could be few reasons why your hair is constantly tangling. Hair texture, frequency of brushing, exposure to wind, and as well as the healthiness of your hair. Long, fine hair and thick curly hair types are more prone to knots because of its texture. Use a wide-tooth comb or brush specially designed for detangling, and make sure start from the end and slowly go up. Excessive use of hot tools to your hair is a leading cause for hair damage, which is prone to get more tappy. Braiding your hair before sleep can help prevent tangles, and also sleep on a silky pillowcase with less friction and will be a game changer for preventing hair knots. Avoid using traditional heavy towels to dry out your hair. Rubbing your hair immediately after a shower can cause more friction and knots. First, gently squeeze the water out. Then use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel and gently wipe out the water. Regular hair trimming and haircuts help preventing tangles and keep your hair looking chic. So now it's time to make our leave-in conditioners. So let's start. Our first recipe, we are going to use 3 ingredients: coconut milk, glycerin, and apple cider vinegar. Take 1 cup of fresh coconut milk and add 2 tablespoons full of apple cider vinegar and add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Mix them very well and you can store it in a spray bottle. Okay, let's go to our second recipe. It also contains 3 ingredients. Let's start. Our second leave-in conditioner. We take 5 to 6 dry hibiscus flowers, 1 tablespoonful of fenugreek seeds, a cup of water. Boil the mixture about 5 minutes. Then blend the mixture and add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. And store it in a spray bottle. Now let's understand how to use them. Anytime if you feel your hair is tangled, spray one of our hair conditioners nicely throughout your hair. First, use your fingers to untangle your hair. Then use a wide-tooth comb and gently untangle your hair from bottom, then gently go up. Then comb your hair several times from top to bottom. It will help to redistribute the natural oils from scalp throughout the hair. Make it easier to manage your hair. My dear friends, don't spend your money and time buying so much expensive products to this type of simple hair issues. Try out simple hair remedies and get the benefit of it. Thank you for watching.